Hemp agrimony is really commonly seen in hedgerows and like on the edges of woodland and places like that. It's a herbaceous clump forming perennial, and it has these like little pink flowers here, or pinky purpley flowers, and then they sort of turn into wind-borne seeds like this. And they're called hemp agrimony because the leaves look similar to the leaves of hemp plants, but they're not related. But they are related to Joe pieweed, which comes from North America, so they've got quite a few in the same family, but this is R1, and they're quite liked by bees, and they were used in medicine more in the past, but they've now been discovered to contain a number of toxins, so you can put them in ointment for skin treatment, but skin conditions, but they're no longer really that much used internally, although some people do use them for various things. Probably best not to, but they do look really nice in hedgerows like this, really nice sort of flat heads of pinky purpley flowers. They go on for a long time, and they're very, very common.